Everyone is talking about the new salary thresholds in Ireland, and almost nobody is asking why they are being changed. And the answer matters more than the numbers themselves. When Ireland announced the new 2026 work permit thresholds, most people focused on the jump: 36,605 for general, 40,904 for critical, 68,911 if you do not have a relevant degree, 32,691 for care, horticulture, and meat processing. But the real story is not the numbers. The real story is why Ireland is doing this and what the change signals about the direction of the labor market. Ireland reviewed its entire work permit system this year and found a mismatch between permit salaries, national wage growth, and inflation. In simple terms, the system had not kept pace with the economy. Employers were hiring internationally on salaries that did not reflect current cost of living. The government's goal is to close that gap. This is also a competitive move. Ireland wants to attract higher skilled workers, retain graduates, and position itself closer to EU standards. Moving critical skills to 40,904 and raising non-degree roles to 68,911 is a message. International recruitment should be strategic, not a shortcut for low-cost hiring. The introduction of a dedicated general employment permit at Euros 34,009 is another signal. Ireland has realized it cannot rely on the critical skills pathway alone. Graduates need structured, realistic bridge between stamp 1G and long-term residency. And then there is the biggest shift of all: indexation from January 2027. This means salary thresholds will no longer stay frozen for years. They will move automatically with wage trends. For employers, this changes planning. For workers, this changes negotiation. For immigration, it creates a more predictable, modernized system. So yes, the numbers matter, but the message behind them matters more. Ireland is positioning its immigration framework for long-term stability, fairness, and higher economic alignment. If you want to stay or build a career in Ireland, understanding the why behind the changes is more important than memorizing the numbers.